Updating your legal name on IMO 2026 can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you complete the update efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Access your IMO 2026 account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, go to the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for an option related to personal information or name change. Step 4. Submit name change request. Fill out the required fields with your new legal name and upload the supporting documents you gathered earlier. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your request, check for a confirmation email or notification within your account. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name on IMO 2026. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your request.